Howdy, folks. Good evening. Lighting a fire this evening because, well, it's a weird rainstorm, this strange thing we occasionally get in Southern California.
Hey, Dad!
Yeah?
Can we go kayaking?
Right now?
Yeah. Singing in the rain, singing in the rain, what a glorious feeling. I'm happy.
Howdy, folks, and well, this is something different. So this is a video I have tried to record, well, quite a bit. Unfortunately, it depends on the weather, and today there's a nice rainstorm blowing through Southern California. My cul-de-sac turns into a nice lake when it rains this much. So, I've done it before. We're going to do it again. We're going to go kayaking in the street. Okay, so, yes, this is my cul-de-sac.
I can't see your face.